So, I gotta tell you, last month I crunched my numbers on all these tracking tools and, oh boy, the costs were eye-popping.
Really? How bad are we talking here?
Well, picture this. A link shortener costing $29 a month and a document tracker at $45. That's $74 just to know if someone clicked a link. And the link tool barely tells you someone clicked. No details like names, emails, or time spent.
Right, so it's like, you only get a number that doesn't tell you if the click came from a genuinely interested viewer or just a stray click.
Exactly, and, that document tracker charges per user, which is just nuts for a solo creator. I mean, spending $45 per user is like paying a premium for a half snapshot, you know?
Yeah, I faced that too. 2 dashboards, 2 subscriptions, and still, you couldn't really see the full picture of how your audience was actually engaging. So, what did you do to fix it?
So, I found this tool that, does both. It tracks URLs and documents all in one dashboard. And the kicker? It scores viewer engagement from 0 to 100 based on time spent, pages read, downloads, return visits. Basically, a full profile of engagement. It literally changed the game.
Right. Wow, that's pretty neat. But I'm a bit skeptical. Can one score really differentiate between a hot lead and someone who just clicked and bounced?
Oh, definitely. Think about it. I shared my media kit with 12 brands. 3 of them came back multiple times, spending around 6 minutes on my rates page and scoring above 70. Those were, the hot leads. The rest bounced off in under 20 seconds. Pure cold leads.
I see what you mean. So instead of wasting time chasing every single lead, you can focus on the ones that really matter.
Exactly. By consolidating from those 2 expensive tools to one platform that costs just $25 a month on the Pro plan, I saved a ton. It brings together links, documents, engagement scores, even contact management, all in one sleek dashboard.
That's a massive drop from $74, and I love the efficiency. But, do you think there's any risk in combining so much data in one place? Sometimes, I worry a bit about losing the granular details from specialized tools.
Fair point. And I respectfully kind of challenge that. Yes, combining may blur some fine details, but honestly, for most creators, the depth of insight you get from engagement scores outweighs that risk. It's like you trade having multiple mystery boxes for one super transparent one.
I like that analogy. It really is a game changer for someone trying to figure out which brands are really interested versus just a fat click count.
Absolutely. It's all about knowing your audience without drowning in costs. This all-in-one tool literally lets you prioritize who to follow up with, resulting in better, faster sponsorship deals.
Cheers to smarter tracking and, bigger cost savings for creators.
Cheers to that! It's been a total game changer for optimizing engagement and cutting down those unnecessary expenses.